Welcome back to the AI Empires. We have to do our first correction video when you are doing an ad boost for a hiring post. We need to put it into a special ad category. So let's go check out what that looks like and we will get it going. So same thing, we want to get more messages. That's the goal. And the one thing we're going to change is when we're scrolling down, we need to turn on a special ad category right here. And we need to have employment selected. Now with our audience details, you'll know one change. We can't shift any age or gender. It's just going to be set to all. Those are grayed out. But what we can do is we can still come in here and we can go into Sedalia. And we're going to put that out to the 20 miles. And that is going to be, so our detailed audience, again, we're going to come in here and get some of those specific interests. We're going to look for mechanic. Let's look for auto mechanic. Let's look for automobile. All right. So let's go back a little bit and we'll see if we can get any more categories in there that we can get. Mechanics. Nope, we gotta stay pretty general when we're going for the employment industry. So equal opportunity. So abide by the rules in there. Life is good. And we are gonna save that audience. Set to original audience instead. Okay. So we just have to go to the original audience, which we'll head back into audience and take a look if we can just get this out of there and see if that'll let us get by the rules. See if we're good to go there. One error still. Let's see if we refresh and how that looks. Not saving any changes there. We'll just kind of get to the equal opportunity. So we got to turn that off, I believe. Special ad category employment, and we want to get around Sedalia. Okay, so we got to go 20 miles. See how that works. See if we can get her done there. Man. So we can't make any changes to the audience, it doesn't look like, as far as an employment post. But hey, you know, you got to do what you got to do. So we got to go employment. Okay. Leave as is, and let's click publish. Okay, now our ad is going to go to review. We'll hear back from Facebook and see how that goes. But when you're doing a hiring ad, it does need to be in the special ad category. So we'll see what Meta says when we move on to the next step. So the next step, we are going to into now, how do we train our AI to talk to these people when they reach out or they go to our website? So we'll take a look at that in the next step.